Hi friends, today we will learn about forecasting and trend lines in Excel and how to use them in a chart. Let's start. I have this Excel dataset ready, so we can jump straight into it. The dataset contains the sales figures from 1st of October month up to 12, but we want to see the sales figures up to 15 October. For that we use forecast function to predict the sales figures based on the historical data. First, let's add the dates up to 15 October. Then, we use forecasting, so we type equal, then forecast and the function will show up. We select the date for which we want to forecast, the figures from previous days and dates, and we have the forecasted figure. Then we drag down to fill up to 15 October. Once we found out the sales figures up to 15 October, next we want to create the chart and show the trend. As we have dates, this type of data works perfectly with line chart, so we will use that one. Then we add labels, we clean and arrange the chart little bit, and we select the line, right-click and select Add Trend Line, and we choose Linear as we need to see the linear trend. In this way you can forecast and show trends easily, which will look nice and intelligent. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, subscribe and comment.